Hi, we are Team BitDance, and this is how we classify our reviews. Firstly, our data is from the Google Maps restaurant reviews in this Kaggle dataset here. Next, we perform some exploratory data analysis on the dataset. Firstly, we took a look at the columns where there are three text columns, an image column, a numeric column in rating, as well as a categorical column. We took a look at some of the sample data in the columns, like so, and also some summary statistics for only numeric field rating. Next, we wanted to investigate if there were any missing values for our dataset, and fortunately for our case, there were none. Next, we did some analysis on the distributional rating using a bar chart as well as a pie chart. And finally, we did some analysis on the text, namely the text length in terms of characters and in terms of words. As we can see, it's sort of a positively skewed distribution with around a mode of 150 characters and around 25 words. So we created a simple front end to visualize the results that we had. In total, we labeled 211 reviews with three different binary columns to indicate if they are ran without visit, advertisement, or simply irrelevant. Among the 211, 154 were relevant reviews and 54 were in violation in one or more categories. Then, we used 5 models individually to attempt to learn and predict if the reviews were in violation in any of the 3 categories. Here's a look at some of our more detailed analytics, breaking down the reviews by each category of our labels, and also for us to visualize the performance of the model over time. And here, the final results for the 5 models. We use F1 score as our performance metrics, and as we can see, the best performing scores belong to the BERT models, the highest being 92%, and the lower performing scores belong to the SFT models, the lowest being 76%. Let's take a closer look at the BERT model. In general, it's better at predicting those reviews that are relevant rather than irrelevant as expected. And among those irrelevant categories, meaning irrelevant, advertisement, or ran without visit, it seems to be generally the same level of confidence in predicting each of these 3 categories. And finally, we have a custom input feature where the model will be able to detect if your input text has any of the 3 categories.